Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2009 Cadillac Escalade Luxury. It comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other benefits included such as premium leather, heated and cooled seats, power sliding sunroof, roof rack, heated rear seating with DVD entertainment package, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this tan interior with paneling cup holder storage at the bottom. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents. Your seat memory. You have these running boards here. These power adjustable, heated ventilated leather seats. Super comfortable. And left side will be your vents with your lighting control right there. And left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control and heated steering wheel, with the right side being a voice recognition and volume control. Classic key, classic color truck shifter, for the odometer. All the controls are right here. You can access your vehicle information, as well as your blind zone, your tires, battery voltage, all the gauges, and all that fun stuff. And onto the infotainment. So AM, FM radio with auxiliary, as well as a CD disc changer, and you can choose to sign up for navigation here. It's pretty straightforward. All about in here, you got the disc changer, of course, got the classic buttons, Dolby Digital, and all the climate controls with power adjustable gas pedals, and as well as the running boards and a cigarette lighter with a little extra cup holder storage and the double center console with a 12-volt. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, Cadillac badging, Bose speakers up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps as well as the power folding third row seats, your power sliding sunroof. So you're getting these 22-inch chromed aluminum wheels on Bridgestone Blizzak tires with the black and chrome mirror caps and door handles as well. Roof rack and side rails, as well as exhaust on the bottom there. And the power liftgate, I got the third row seats down below. You get a little extra storage on each side, as well as vents and lamps up top. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, get speakers next to the power window with the wood and chrome. Hop at the back, decent leg room, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear heated seating, as well as climate controls and as well as volume. You got the AV input, which cup holder storage right there. See, it's barely used, still got the film on it, which is good. Handles on the side with vents up top. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2009 Cadillac Escalade Luxury, equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as heated cooled leather seats, rear seat and entertainment package, as well as trailer tow, running boards, 22-inch wheels, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.